Hey y'all, I got sent over a printer stand from Warmiehomy. Guess I'm pronouncing that right. Anyway, this is model ZH1754. We're going to get this thing put together and see what it looks like. Let's get her done. We'll see if I can get all this assembled right here on top of this desk. It sure be better than having to get down on the floor. We're going to try it. Got our instruction manual here. Set this back here and then we'll put all our parts up here. Y'all ready to get started? Got everything out but the wood shelf part, so should be pretty simple. All there is to it. Well, I guess we're going to need them boards first. All these parts are numbered, so you shouldn't have any problem there. 2 number 3s right there. Seems opening the bag is the hardest part. Guess we just tear right into it. There we go. This one's just laying in there. I don't know if it fell out of this or out of something else, but we're going to try to keep that separate. I believe they're the same size, so yeah, they sure look the same. It does come with your tools to put it together with. We're going to do the second one the same way. I'll cut it right there and we'll catch you when I get to the next step. Okay, we're on to step 2 now. Move this one out of the way. So if we're going to put our legs on here, got that pointing down with the curve over here. So we'll set that just like that, slide that there. And we'll put screws right through here into here. Easy peasy. Actually, these need to be facing down, these rails. We'll flip that over like that. That makes more sense. I'm going to have to raise that up a little bit. Let's see. Maybe, I don't know what this one's for yet, but we might can use this to raise that up. There we go. Let's see how that lines up. That's a little closer. That'll work. We can work with that. Get that snugged up just a little bit. There we go. And remember, you don't have to like really tighten that down extremely hard. Just get it to where it ain't gonna fall apart. That's about all you need. You don't want to pull the threads, strip it basically. That ought to work. I guess we could put the other side on there and then we could flip it over and then put the board across this one. Sounds like a wiener. Basically do it the same exact way. Guess we'll go put it like this, right? What do you think? Yeah, I'm joking. Got a curve here, got a curve on that one. Make sure you get them pointed the right direction. You won't have to take it back apart. Lord knows I've had plenty of experience taking stuff back apart and redoing it because of little mistakes like that. Sometimes getting in a hurry is not always a good thing. Now, I don't know if you've noticed, if you can see it, there are holes right here. 1, 2, 3, well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll count them on the side where y'all can see them. Anyway, you'll be able to adjust this shelf at whatever height you need it. It does not necessarily have to go in the very top one. You know, you could put it here, or you could put it here, wherever you want it. Still not real sure what we're going to do with that, but we will find out. Oh, wait, I see. Oh, it goes in the top, up here. Right back here. Okay, cool. Let's get the board in there first. I said board. I mean shelf. You know, in this case, it might be better, because if we try to put it on here, the board's going to be doing this right here. What if we flip it up on its side like that? Then we ain't got to worry about it. Well, it's still going to do it. Well, yeah, we can slide it over the edge like that and get it from under here. Get past our desk top right there. That stuff moving around back there made me think a monster was about to get me. Okay. Put that in there like that. What do y'all think? Let's just go up here with it. We can adjust it later, however we need it. And we'll come around over there and do the same thing over there. Okay, we'll slide this right over to the edge as we can get up under here and get her in there. This thing is going together really easy, y'all. Should not be any problem whatsoever. Might ought to finish this before I said that, right? Everything seems to be fitting perfect, just the way it's supposed to. If you're putting much furniture together, you know it don't always fit the way it's supposed to fit. So when stuff fits the way it's supposed to fit, it sure makes you feel better. Certainly easier. Then we'll drop this bar in there. Right here. Go that over. There we go. Now let's see what the next step is. We got more stuff here. Oh, we got casters on this thing too. I see that. Might be the next step. I don't know. Nope. Putting our crossbars on the back. Right back here. And it looks like those are made flat or in the center. So there's not one side or the other that makes a difference. So let's see. We should have some holes here. We got one hole there. Oh, okay, right there. Easy peasy. Oh, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. Did they send a Phillips screwdriver? No Phillips screwdriver. Okay, I'll be right back. That was quick, wasn't it? Pull that out a little bit so I'm not trying to fight and hit my fingers on the desktop there. That worked. And then we'll drop C and D on the middle right here, and that'll wrap that up. Now, just in case, let's see if I can get this up close enough. Just in case, if you'll notice right up here, it makes a little crown. And that is always going to go to the outside. This, your screw will go in like that. If you can see what I'm talking about. Always make sure you get that little curved part on the outside. Most people know that, but I've known a couple of people that didn't, so thought I would share that with you. Okay, it looks like our next step is going to be to put the casters on the bottom, right down here. Oh, these do have brakes on them. Look at that. Should spin real easy right there. Flip that little lever down, and that will lock it. Cool. Now I see what our little wrench is for. It's a thin little thing. If you have regular box end wrenches, it might be easier to use them to get a hold of that. This thing's thin. I've got some, but they're out in the shop, and it's really cold out there, and I don't want to go get them. There we go. I'll get the other 4 put on, and I'll check back with you in a moment. All right, got it on there. What do y'all think about that? The only thing that's left is It has 2 screws that you can put into the wall and a strap to keep it from running away from the wall. It's not top heavy. They supply them if you want to mount this up against the wall. Very solid. Let's move it in there to the office and get it loaded down, and we'll just kind of take a gander at it and wrap this video up. Meet y'all in the office. All righty, well there you have it. You know, a lot of people could utilize this for different things. I have another shelf over here that has my printer and stuff on it. But this right here is great for accessories that I use pretty regular while I'm working here. Sometimes I need my little phone holder, little tripods, lighting, whatever I need, I'll have it right here instead of having to go across the room and get it. I can just turn around and grab it and keep it working. But printer fits, printer paper, whatever you have, looks really good, solid. You saw how easy it was to put together. If you'd like to get one of these for yourself, I'm going to put a link down in the description where you can order yours today. Also, if you got any value out of this video at all, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you'd like. I have a lot of different product reviews on this channel, so look around. You might find something you like. Anyway, there you have it. Definitely a thumbs up. It'll get the job done, easy to put together, holds pretty much whatever you want to. Nice and sturdy, has the casters on the bottom. Roll it around where you need it. It's a good one. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching. Now I gotta get to work.